What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to today's lesson. So in today's lesson, we'll be talking about something very important in website designing. That's media queries. So with media queries, you can design and develop a responsive website. That's websites that can adapt to mobile devices, tablets, and desktops. So in this lesson, I'll teach you how to do that. So let's get in. So let's go and open our file, index file. So I'm just going to demonstrate with you with some example how media query works and how you can style your web page for desktop, tablet, and then for mobile. So first thing we have to do is before anything else, we need to add some meta tag which will control the viewpoint size. So to do that, we have to type meta name, okay, and then we have viewpoint, then content, inside this we type width equals device, and then comma initial scale equals 1, shrink to fit equals and then I'll close this. And I would like us to just use the external styling to just make things look clean. So to add our CSS externally, so link, okay, I need to be style sheet, okay, and then type will be text /css href. So the location is in the same folder as the index file, so I'll just type style.css and then I'll close this. Okay, so I'll just go now and open our style.css file we created in a previous lesson. So let's see how the media query works. So let's say I have this content on my web page, okay, and then I have the default style, the h1. Let's see, I'll just put this whole thing in a div container, div, and then id, I'll give it let's say hero. Okay, so this h4 and paragraph are inside this container. I'll save it and then I'll go to the CSS file. Okay, so I'll just give the default style for the h4, okay, and then let's say I want the font size to be 40 px, okay, and then the color will be red. Okay, sorry, it's supposed to be hero, and then so this is the ID name, and then for the ID hero h4 I want this style. Okay, and then I'll copy the same thing, come down, sorry, just come down and change the h4 to p. So this style will be for the paragraph. So let's say I want this to be 20p. So let's go. So this is the style we have, the default style. Okay, so this is going to be the same on desktop application, on tablets, and then on mobile phones also. So let's say if you go to expert and then you go to iPad Air, as you can see the design is still the same. Okay, and then when you come to iPhone 12 Pro, it's still the same. So let's say I want to reduce the size and change the color on device or on mobile phones and then on tablets. Okay, so I'll go inside my CSS. This is where the media query comes in. So first I'm going to type at media, okay, space, and then open the bracket and close, and then max width. Okay, so what I normally use is I use 1020 1024 for tablets, and then for mobile phones I use 720. It's still up to you, you can use any number you want. So 1024px. Okay, and then I'm going to open and close my curly brackets. So whatever I'm going to put in here inside this is what is going to show on tablets. Okay, and then I'm going to copy the same thing and then come down and then change this to 720. Okay, so whatever I'm going to put in here is what is going to show on mobile devices. So what is outside this is going to show on, which is the default styling, is going to show on big screens, that's desktop applications and laptops. Whatever is here is going to show on tablets, and whatever I have inside this is going to show on mobile devices. So I'm going to copy all this, okay, and come inside this and paste it inside the viewpoint for tablets. So I'll reduce the font size to, let's say, 30, and then I'll change the color to, let's say, blue. Okay, and then this I'll reduce the font size to, let's say, 16, and then I'll change the color to blue. And then I'm going to come inside the styling for mobile devices. I'll paste the same thing here. So we have the ID name h4. When it's on mobile devices, I want the size of this to be 20px, and then I want the size to be, let's say, brown. Okay, and then for the paragraph on mobile devices, I want the size to be 12, and then the color to be brown also. Okay, so I'll just go and open our browser. So this is the default styling we have for desktop, laptop applications, devices. So let's say I want, I move to the tablet. As you can see, the color has changed, and then the font size also. Okay, so this is the size we have. This is how the design will look on tablet. And then when I go to mobile devices, which is less than you can see the screen size is less than 720. This is the style I get. So I have 3 different styles. So the first one is for desktop applications, the second one is for tablets, and then the final one is for mobile devices. So this is how you style your web page and make it responsive using media queries. We'll be working on some projects in the next lesson, so you get to understand really how media queries work and responsive design works. So this is just a basic example to show you how to use media query. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell. In the next lesson, we'll be starting with a project. We'll be designing a simple web page. So stay tuned. See you guys. Bye.